Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add image icons in rich text in Unreal Engine. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is create a user interface blueprint. So I'll create a widget blueprint, user widget, and name it whatever you want. I'll name it WBP underscore, let's say UI text. Let's create a canvas panel and add our rich text block to it. So let's type in our text. For me it's like press X to jump. I'll just anchor this for our viewing pleasure. Okay, so first thing you'll notice is when you add the text, these weird symbols appear instead of your text, unlike the traditional UI text. That is because it does not have this text style sheet assigned to it. Rich text block takes all its fonts and everything from a data table. So let's create one. Name it as DT underscore text style. For the row structure, we need to pick rich text style row, and it's assigned. Let's navigate to it. So first thing you need to do is when you create a new row is rename it to default, otherwise Unreal Engine won't take it. Assign your font, and I'll just make it to white in color. And now if you go and compile, you'll see it's appeared. But what we need is this X to appear as an image rather than your text. It's boring this way. So to do that, you need a decorator class. So let's create an array element, and I'll create a new blueprint class. I'll search in decorator and add rich text block image decorator. Yeah, that's the one we need. Just name it whatever you want, and so let's assign that decorator. Still nothing happens, so now we need another data table. So let's create it the same way. Name it DT underscore image style. This time select the row structure to be rich image row. Let's navigate to that, and so I'll quickly create two rows. First one is for our X button. Make sure to name it properly. I'll search my image. This one. And the second one is a square button. And assign the image to it. Now inside your blueprint, make sure you assigned it, and on compiling you say nothing happens, so we'll just remove the X and add in the following code. Image ID is equal to, make sure you don't have any space between them, otherwise it doesn't work, and add this. As you see, this works perfectly well. So that's it for this video. Make sure you like it, and like, subscribe, and comment for any other tutorials which you need.